The United States Embassy in Zimbabwe has announced the temporary suspension of all routine visa services effective Thursday, according to an internal memo from the U.S. State Department. Sanapenda mashoko kubuda panguva ino chinhu the United States yosuspenda visa processing munyika yeZimbabwe. Inobva subscribe or like on the bell kuti mina munoziva kubuda nyika. Suspension will affect a broad range of visa categories, including immigrant visas, as well as non-immigrant visas for tourism, business, study, and cultural or educational exchange programs. A senior State Department official cited rising concerns over visa overstays by Zimbabwean nationals, particularly under the B1, B2 category, which recorded an overstay rate of 10.57%, equating to 700 individuals. The administration is continually working to prevent visa overstay and misuse, the official said, adding that the U.S. is especially concerned about overstay patterns among student visa holders. Compounding these concerns is Zimbabwe's refusal to enter into a safe third country or a third country national agreement, under which asylum seekers would be required to pursue their claims from the last country they transited through before arriving in the U.S. So far, only Eswatini, Rwanda, and South Sudan have publicly agreed to such agreements, which have become a contentious part of U.S. immigration diplomacy, particularly under Republican administrations. The memo also clarifies that the suspension will not affect already issued visas and that certain categories including official government travel and C3 diplomatic visas will continue to be processed. Ndomashoko aripo panguva ino awa nyika yeZimbabwe panguva ino tinoona kuti awa mavisas awa vanhu vazhinji vakaita sevezvikoro, mabhizinesi, matourist panguva ino ambomiswa. Inoda kuti vanhu vari kuoverstaya ku-US. Pina comment section medu dzimafunguro enyu matobe pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.